So we're going to start with the homework discussion, 7.2A. You only get this video or open this video if you get stuck with any of the homework problem. So first is number 5. You can use any method to solve this. I'm going to prefer to use the horizontal method. So where I'm going to rewrite this and combine the like terms. So I would write the x squared as it is because there is nothing to combine with x squared. Then I'm going to use to combine 4x and 5x. And then I'm going to combine 4 negative 1. So now I'm going to combine the 5x plus 4x, and that's going to be 9x. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer is x squared plus 9x plus 3. For number 7, I'm going to rewrite this and combine the like terms. You can use any method. So right now, there is no sign change inside the bracket because sign only changes inside the bracket if there is a sign negative here. So you distribute the negative and it changes the sign. Other than that, you just write it normally. You're combining the like terms, so 2n squared, negative n squared, negative 5n and negative 3n. And then lastly, you're combining is negative 6 with plus 11. So combine 2n square minus n square as n square. Negative 5n minus 3n is negative 8n. And negative 6 plus 11 is 5. Now I'm going to do one problem for number 9 with the vertical method, everyone. So I'm going to rewrite this polynomial. So that's negative a cubed plus 4a minus 3. And underneath I'm writing a cube underneath a cube. So 5a cube here. So you're going to write here is 5a cube. And we're going to write const a underneath a. So we're going to write negative a underneath 4a. So that's going to be negative a. There is no term constant that can be written underneath negative 3. So I leave it blank. Now I'm going to add them together. What I got here is 5a square cube minus 1a cube. So what we get here is 4a cube. 4a minus a, that's going to be 3a. And then 3 you bring down as it is. So the answer is 4a cube plus 3a minus 3. For number 12, I'm going to write or rewrite this by distributing the negative inside. So I get here is negative 3d plus 1. We're going to write d squared as it is because we cannot combine it with any other term. Negative 3d, and then we're going to combine negative 9 plus 1, that is negative 8. So the answer is d squared minus 3d minus 8. I'm going to do the same thing for level 2, question number 14. X squared minus 4x plus 9. Distribute the negative, so negative 3x squared plus 6x, and going to distribute the negative with the negative 7 is positive 7. Combine the like terms, so x squared minus 3x squared, negative 4x plus 6x, 9 plus 7, negative 2x squared plus 2x and plus 16. So combine the like terms, you get the answer negative 2x squared plus 2x plus 16. For number 13, I'm going to do it with the vertical method. So rewrite k squared minus 7k plus 2. And for the next one, you're going to write negative k squared minus 12 underneath k squared minus 7k plus 2. By distributing the negative, you get negative k squared underneath k squared. And you're going to write positive 12 underneath 2. There is no k term, so leave this space blank. So what do you get here? By combining the like terms, k squared and negative k squared cancel. Negative 7k plus 14 is your answer. Number 11. This is given wrong, and we're going to find out what is wrong about this question. So I'm going to rewrite this as 5x squared plus 1 because the x term is missing, so I can write 0x for that. And this is 2x that goes underneath 2x. And then the negative 8 goes underneath constant. There is no x squared term, so we cannot combine anything with the x squared term. So that's going to be as it is. 0 plus 2 is 2x. And negative 8 plus 1 is negative 7. So the right answer, or the right way of doing it, is this way that I just showed you. So for number 10, we are going to combine the like term as we were doing in other problems. So negative s squared as it is, negative 9s plus 1 minus 5 over 9s minus 4. Negative s squared as it is because there is no other term to be combined with. Negative 2 over 9s plus 5, or negative 5 over 9, we can combine those. And they are fraction term, but we don't have to worry about it because they have same denominator. So we just have to add the numerator. So negative 2, negative 5 is negative 7. So negative 7s over 9. And this one is 1 minus 4, and that's negative 3. For number 20, we are going to combine the like terms. So rewrite these polynomials. And we are going to combine c squared with the c squared. So c squared plus c squared. 6d squared with the 2d squared. So negative 6d squared plus 2d squared. And then this term is by itself because we cannot combine it with any other. You get 2c squared here. This one is negative 4d squared minus 2cd. So that's going to be your answer. For number 15, you're going to distribute the negative inside. So that's become positive 4r squared, negative r, negative 7. Combine the like terms. So we don't have anything to combine with 4r squared. So that's as it is. Negative r would be negative 2r, negative 10, and negative 7 would be negative 17. Same thing for number 21. You're going to distribute the negative inside. So you got here is negative x squared, negative 6xy, negative positive 8y squared. So that's going to be positive 8y squared. Combine the like terms. So you're going to get here is negative x squared and negative x squared. That is going to be negative 2x squared. 3xy plus 8y squared. This one for number 17 we can skip because they have different denominator, and so if we want to solve this, we want to make the same denominator for them. So this gets more steps. I'm gonna, okay, if you want to skip it, if you want to do it, that's fine too.